Hi Ray, I've got a quick issue that I've noticed every now and then. The text on a Scenic Gem page for the Slider Revolution is disappearing upon load. So I'll try and replicate the problem now. So I'll just load the page there. So it comes up. Sometimes it comes up fully, but then it disappears. This is on a Mac laptop, iOS device. And yeah, that's essentially the problem that I'm experiencing at the moment. I think if I load the page twice, it'll stay, but upon first load, so yeah, there we go. So disappearing. If I was to just clear my image cache and then refresh the page, so it's cached at Cloudflare, but not on my computer. No, it's still disappearing. So that's the problem. Would you be able to have a look at that? That'd be great. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.